सेंटरचे आज इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें आसा एंड आमच्या गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाच्या हेजे खातीर एकदम इम्पॉर्टंट असो विभाग आनी आयज तुमकां खबर आशिल्लें पयलीं जी परिस्थिती आसली एंड डॉक्टर युरीच इतल्या वर्सां चलयता ते प्लास्टीक सर्जरी आनी बर्न्स युनिट थंय अशी परिस्थिती आसली की पयलीं 30% पर्यंतूच बर्न्स जाल्ले पेशंटाचे उपचार जातालो पण आयज ह्या डेडिकेटेड बर्न्स युनिटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान कमीत कमी 70% पर्यंत बर्न जाल्ल्या लोकांक ते ट्रिटमेंट दिवंक शकतले आनी सक्सेसफुली लोकांचें जीवन वाचोवपाचो एक नवें पावल गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान घेतलेलें आसा आनी ह्या खंयच्याच हॉस्पिटलान ह्या तरेचें डेडिकेटेड बर्न्स युनिट ना हे बर्न्स युनिट आहा फक्त गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान म्हणून आमी मातशें आमचो डिले जालो कारण डॉक्टराची रिक्वायरमेंट आशिल्ली कांय गोश्टीच्यो रिक्रुटमेंटाच्यो इश्यूज आशिल्ल्यो त्यो रिक्रुटमेंट नर्सीस डेडिकेटेड स्टाफ त्यो सगळ्यो पूर्ण जाल्ले आसा आनी आयज आमी ते उद्घाटन केल्लें आसा आयज हेज्या भायर दुसरी गोश्ट जाता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान वी आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेटिंग अप आवर ओन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ऑन्कॉलॉजी and it is very important because the rise of cancer patients in the state of Goa. As a result of which we are in the process, file is moved already to the office of Honorable Chief Minister. It will get cleared any moment. That is to appoint Dr. Anupama Borkar as a Chief Consultant for the Department of Oncology. So that process is already on. Under that, we'll have, yesterday also there are a lot of people who are showing interest to join this Department of Oncology, interventional radiologists and all those people are trying to join us. So those proposals I have sent to the 3-member committee. Apart from that, as you are aware that the Government of India and the Honorable Chief Minister, both of them are very aggressive in taking forward the regional cancer center setup. Now regional cancer center setup, the building will cost another 15-20 crores rupees. We have formed a committee with Dr. Mahesh Sardesai, Dr. Anupama Borkar, Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Rajnanda Desai and 2-3 other people to finalize the drawings. Drawings are on the verge of finalizing and then the estimate will be prepared and tendered. Government of India already has given us one installment as far as the regional cancer center is concerned. Dr. Mahesh Dr. Mahesh Sardesai has been pursuing this with Government of India. And most importantly, this setup will come at the earliest. This is our top priority project which we are undertaking. Dr. Jali has come, who is the director of KLE. KLE is a very important partner to us as far as setting up these OPDs are concerned here, because there are large number of patients that come with cancer and they have to be referred. Today KLE, I am also very happy to associate with KLE because KLE is a hospital that has got all the facilities related to cancer care, right from PET, CT scan to everything in under one roof. And Goincha Lokang, I have to see as far as the people of Goa are concerned, which is the best spot. Today in Tata Memorial, when they go, they get lost. After me writing several letters to patients, that care that they get, the amount of days that they have to spend there to get their tests done, it is like sending a person into an ocean. And we are a small state, it's like a drop in the ocean. Anybody can put any amount of letters, it doesn't have any effect. So as a result, we found that partnering with KLE is very important to us as far as sending our patients there for all kind of, because everything is available under one roof. Hence today we have started the OPD so that people who are cancer related and having symptoms pertaining to cancer, they can have every week this OPD will run, and we want to strengthen this relationship with KLE so that the people benefit out of this. Patients will get the right type of treatment and it will be actually in the interest of the people of the state of Goa. They go to the right type of place to get treatment, and that is how we have decided to tie up with KLE. This is a decision I have taken and we have implemented. From Wednesday onwards they'll have OPDs here regularly and in association with Goa Medical College, and KLE is one of the hospitals that is already recognized under DDSSY, and that is how we want to move forward, because they already have, that's one of the few hospitals that already has a counter for DDSSY out of Goa in their hospital. So DDSSY patients also can go and get whatever benefit they want.